Hello and welcome to The Print. I am Purva Chitnis, Assistant Editor. Today in this video, we will be talking about a century-old bridge, that is Tilak Bridge, where I am right now here in Dadar, that is the heart of Mumbai. As you can see behind me, this is the century-old bridge, the Tilak Bridge, built during the British era in 1925. And you can see that this is a crucial east-west connector here in Dadar. Not only for Dadar people to go from east to west and west to east, but this bridge strategically is also important because it connects the western areas like Lower Parel, which is an important business district, to the Eastern Express Highway, which is on the east side of this bridge. But now this century-old bridge, which is the British era colonial time bridge, that will give way to a swanky 6-lane bridge which is under construction. You can see that this bridge is under construction. What you can see on your screen is the constructed part, and I'll go over what the specifications of this bridge is. But this bridge is now being constructed by the BMC under and executed by MRIDC, that is the Maharashtra Rail Infrastructure Development Corporation. Why? Because this bridge, which is a crucial east-west connector, is built over railway lines. Below this bridge actually is the railway line, the central and the western trains which are going to and fro, and that is why it is very crucial that this bridge needs to be in a proper shape and size. Well, in 2018, BMC had undertaken a structural audit of all bridges in Mumbai. That is because in 2017-18, there were multiple bridges like the Elphinstone Bridge Stampede, then the Andheri Bridge collapse, the Himalaya Bridge collapse that took place, which prompted the BMC to do the structural audits of all the bridges here in Mumbai. And in the structural audit, it was decided that the British era bridges, they will be demolished and it will give way to new swanky bridges, the new infrastructure that will come up in Mumbai. But the MRIDC people, when the Print spoke to them, the officials tell us that they did not undertake the demolition of this bridge first, and instead started with the construction of a parallel bridge here that you can see, because this is, as I mentioned, is a crucial east-west connector, so they couldn't have demolished this bridge first. So once this parallel bridge is complete, then the traffic will be shifted to that parallel bridge, and then this old bridge will be demolished and a new bridge, which will be a cable-stayed bridge, because remember there are railway lines which are going below it. So a cable-stayed bridge will be constructed, which will be 6-lane bridge. The MRIDC officials tell us that though the structural audit of Tilak Bridge was conducted in 2019, but the actual work on this bridge did not start until 23-24. That is because in 2018, the Dalal Road Bridge, which is also another crucial east-west connector in Lower Parel, which is about 5 kilometers from here, that was being undertaken. The construction of that bridge was undertaken, and that is why they couldn't have taken Tilak Bridge also simultaneously. So once the Dalal Road Bridge was complete, then around 23-24, the work on this bridge started, and as you can see right now the work is in full swing. But in the last 1 year, since this is a crucial east-west connector, this bridge was already burdened with heavy traffic on this bridge. But in the last 1 year, another bridge, which is the Sion Bridge, past couple of years ago, the Sion Bridge was also undertaken for reconstruction, and that is why the traffic from the eastern suburbs, who wanted to go to the western suburb, they shifted here again on Tilak Bridge. And in the earlier this year, Elphinstone Bridge, which is also another British era bridge, that was also demolished, and that is why the business district, which is in the Elphinstone and Lower Parel area, Prabhadevi Elphinstone Lower Parel area, that was again shifted on this bridge. And that is why the people who are living in Dadar, in and around Dadar, the commuters who take this bridge every day, they have been complaining that the distance which probably normally would take them like 10 to 15 minutes, that has doubled and tripled because this bridge is now overburdened with traffic from all sides, and that is why this is very important, and it is a crucial connector that this bridge, the demolition of this bridge, is undertaken very quickly. And the MRIDC officials and the BMC officials tell us that by 2027 the parallel bridge will be open, and this traffic will be shifted on that parallel bridge, and then in 2 years from then the phase 2, which is the demolition of this existing Tilak bridge, will take place, and it will take roughly around 2 years for the cable stayed bridge to be complete. So once this entire project will be completed somewhere around 2029, this will give way to 6-lane cable stayed bridge, which will also have decorative lightings and selfie points. That is what the BMC has promised. So this will also be one of the tourist attractions in the heart of Mumbai. But for that, the Mumbaikars will have to wait at least 3 years. The BMC officials also inform us that the total cost of this bridge is 375 crore, but it will be a cable stayed bridge because there is a railway line that is going underneath this bridge, but it will take at least 3 years for this bridge to be entirely complete. This is me, Purva Chitnis, for The Print.